Hello folks, we're doing an inspection on a building here, and what I wanted to show with you is, so we can see I got my condensate line. We got our HVAC system up in the attic, and so you got to have a condensate line. Good deal, good deal. But this condensate is actually so harsh, so volatile, that look what it's doing here. And this is not uncommon for it to do this. And this also is what goes down your drain. Now, if this condensate is so powerful, so caustic, that it literally will deteriorate your asphalt shingles. And you can see right there, it's rusting. See that? You can see it's rusting away my siding. That's steel siding. And you just, well, so this is a big problem. Hey folks, if you see, you put your condensate line out. Just remember, this condensate line that's coming out of your furnace actually is also going down your drain if it's out inside and going into the basement. If you like our videos, hit like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate all of the help and everything that everybody's given us. Thank you and bless you.